Hello, today we're unboxing the Baseus Blade 100W power bank 20,000 mAh. Now let's see what's inside. First we have the power bank, a bag, a charging cable, user manual and some stickers. Blade 100W versus Blade series offers 20,000 mAh and ultimate performance at a smarter price. A clear Amazon favorite. Looking at the ports, we have 4 USB ports. There's also a digital display screen. That's the user manual and some cool stickers. It features a slim, modern design. It's lightweight, yet sturdy, making it perfect for travel or daily use. Baseus Blade 100W power bank, a sleek and powerful device with digital display designed to keep all your gadgets charged on the go.